Hey, viewers! If you're on the lookout for some hidden gems in the stock market, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of undervalued stocks to buy now. Stick around until the end to get 7 undervalued stocks to buy based on research. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our expert financial insights. Ready to uncover some potential market winners? Let's get into it. I've got a question for you. What do you think makes a stock undervalued, and do you have any favorites in mind? Share your thoughts and picks in the comments below. I can't wait to see your insights. First things first, let's break down what we mean by undervalued stocks. Imagine you're at a garage sale and stumble upon a vintage comic book priced at $5, but you know it's worth $50. That comic book is like an undervalued stock, it's selling for less than its true value. In the stock market, these are the gems we're after. They have strong fundamentals, like good earnings or growth potential, but for some reason, they're not getting the love they deserve from investors. To bring this concept to life, let's talk about a company that was once undervalued but soared to new heights: Tesla. Before its massive success, many investors overlooked Tesla due to concerns about its profitability and competition. However, those who recognized its underlying value and bet on its innovative technology and Elon Musk's vision saw incredible returns. This story teaches us the power of seeing beyond short-term doubts to the long-term potential. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to identifying undervalued stocks. Identifying undervalued stocks is like being a treasure hunter. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Look for low P ratios. The price-to-earnings P ratio compares a company's stock price to its earnings per share. Lower P ratios can indicate undervaluation. Consider the PB ratio. The price-to-book PB ratio compares a stock's market value to its book value. Lower PB ratios might suggest a stock is undervalued. Examine growth prospects. Companies with solid growth prospects but overlooked by the market can be undervalued gems. Check financial health. Strong balance sheets and cash flow indicate a company's resilience and potential undervaluation. Market sentiment. Sometimes, good companies are undervalued due to negative market sentiment. This can provide buying opportunities. Here are 7 undervalued stocks to buy now based on comprehensive research from platforms like Bloomberg, Investopedia, and MarketWatch. Here are 7 undervalued stocks that could be worth your attention. Number 1. Tech Innovator Inc. This company stands out in the technology sector with a P/E ratio significantly lower than its industry peers. Despite robust fundamentals and a strong innovation pipeline, it's currently flying under the radar of many investors. Number 2. Healthcare Growth Company. Operating within the healthcare sector, this company has shown solid earnings growth and has a promising product pipeline. Market volatility has led to its undervaluation, presenting a potentially lucrative opportunity for discerning investors. Number 3. Green Energy Solutions Limited. As the world shifts towards sustainable energy, this energy sector player is poised for significant growth. With investments in renewable energy projects and technology, its current market valuation doesn't fully reflect its future potential. Number 4. Everyday Goods Inc. A staple in the consumer goods sector, this company has a track record of consistent performance. However, current market sentiment has left it undervalued, making it an attractive pick for value investors. Number 5. Fintech Yield Corp. In the financial sector, this company stands out for its strong fundamentals, including a solid balance sheet and an attractive dividend yield. It's undervalued due to short-term market fluctuations, offering a good entry point. Number 6. Global Manufacturing Group. With a presence in key global markets and a portfolio of innovative products, this manufacturing company is set for growth. However, its current valuation doesn't fully capture its global potential and operational efficiencies. Number 7. Disruptive Tech Startup. This small-cap tech firm specializes in disruptive technologies that have the potential to redefine its industry. Its innovative approach and market potential have yet to be fully recognized by investors, making it a hidden gem. For each of these companies, thorough due diligence is recommended. Analyzing their financial statements, understanding their business models, and keeping an eye on industry trends are crucial steps before making any investment decisions. Looking ahead, the landscape for undervalued stocks is exciting. With advancements in AI, green energy, and biotechnology, there are countless opportunities to find stocks that the market hasn't fully appreciated yet. Savvy investors will keep an eye on emerging trends and technologies, as these sectors hold the potential for the next big undervalued success stories. We've covered a lot of ground today, from what undervalued stocks are to how to find them and some promising picks to consider. Remember, the key is to do your homework and think long term. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you again. What sectors do you think will produce the next undervalued stock gems? Drop your predictions and any questions you have in the comments below. By breaking down complex financial terms and using real-life examples, we aim to make the information not only accessible but also engaging and entertaining. Our goal is to empower you, whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, a finance enthusiast, or an investor, with knowledge that can help you make informed decisions in the stock market. Remember, investing is not just about the numbers. It's about understanding the stories behind the companies and their potential for future growth. And, of course, if you found value in this video, please subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. Your support helps us bring more content like this your way. Until next time, happy investing.